Another day, another variation on one of my favorite cocktails, the Jailbird. This one showcases smoky and tangy pineapple tepache and smooth coconut fat wash tequila. This is the Freebird. To fat wash the tequila, combine it with melted coconut oil in a 3-to-1 spirit to fat ratio. Give that a shake, let it sit at room temperature for an hour, and then freeze for 24 hours. Remove the solidified oils and then strain the tequila using a nut bag or coffee filter. In a Collins glass with an ice spear, add in 2 ounces of the coconut tequila, 1 ounce of Aperol, 3/4 ounce Supasawa or lime juice, 1/2 ounce simple syrup, and top that off with Pineapple Tepache. Stir that up to combine and chill. Garnish with a lime peel. Cheers and enjoy.